Welcome to Token Tool Hub. This is your all-in-one platform for crypto tools, token safety checks, Web3 learning paths, and real-time on-chain research. Everything you see here is built to make your crypto journey clearer, safer, and faster. The homepage gives you access to the most used sections of the site. Blockchain basics for beginners. Advanced guides for deeper research. Token safety tools. ENS identity tools. AI-powered dashboards. Learning hubs. Plus a community of over 1,000 members staying updated every day. You will also see quick links to the most active searches. Topics like crypto tools, token safety checker, ENS names, blockchain basics, rollups, scam tokens, and Web3 news. These make it easy to jump straight into what you need. Token Tool Hub focuses on giving you clear paths. If you are starting from basics, you can follow our 0 to 1 roadmap. If you are already advanced, you can move into security paths, builder tools, and high-signal dashboards. Everything is designed to help you avoid mistakes, understand what you are doing, and act with confidence. This is the front door to the entire ecosystem. Let's move into the tools. The Token Safety Checker. This tool helps you run quick on-chain checks before you buy any token. Just paste the contract address and choose the chain you want to analyze. You can switch between networks easily. Options include Ethereum, Base, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Linea, Scroll, zkSync, Blast, Celo, Gnosis, and both mainnets and testnets like Sepolia or Base Sepolia. The goal is to give you a complete multi-chain view no matter where the token lives. Below the main checker, you will find the Token Lab Quick Tools. These tools help you go deeper after your first scan. Peep Token lets you read ERC20 metadata. You can see the name, symbol, decimals, supply, your balance, and the basic identity of any token. Approvals and allowances helps you clean up your wallet permissions. You can see which contracts can spend your tokens, remove risky approvals, or set new spending limits safely. Bridge Helper guides you through cross-chain moves. It helps you pick your from network, your to network, and the right bridge UI with safe defaults. The no-code ERC20 wizard lets you generate a minimal, audited OpenZeppelin-based token contract without writing code. Just fill a few fields, copy the output, and deploy cleanly. These tools work together to help you stay safe, clean your wallet, inspect contracts, and move across chains with fewer mistakes. Next is the ENS Name Checker. This tool helps you check any ENS identity across the Ethereum ecosystem. You can search for available names, see ownership details, review resolution status, and avoid buying names that are broken or unusable. You get instant insight into the ENS record. You can see if a name is resolved, if it points to the right address, and whether the record is complete. This helps you avoid low-quality or misleading ENS identities. You can also explore trending ENS names, high-signal patterns, and active identities. Everything loads in one clean dashboard, so you can confirm the name you want before paying gas. If you are building your identity, managing subnames, or collecting ENS for investment, this tool keeps you informed and reduces mistakes when registering or renewing. Now let us explore the Crypto Tool Directory. This is one of the largest curated collections of crypto tools online. You can browse by category, pricing, model, or use case. Categories include contract analyzers, compliance tools, cross-chain converters, tax and accounting platforms, developer infrastructure, trading bots, token screeners, hardware wallets, portfolio managers, threat intelligence tools, and many more. Each tool has its own profile with labels like freemium, paid, API support, or market analytics. You can open the tool directly or dive into the docs. This directory is perfect for research, on-chain analysis, DeFi workflows, developer tasks, or security operations. Instead of jumping across the internet, you can find everything you need in one place, updated regularly. The Learning Hub helps you grow from beginner to advanced with clear and structured paths. The Blockchain Basics path gives you simple explanations of wallets, transactions, gas fees, swaps, bridges, and common concepts. All explained with visuals, examples, and zero jargon. The Advanced Builder and Security path focuses on deeper research. You will learn about rollups, L2S, consensus, MEV, and real on-chain mental models. You also get links to security tools like rug pull filters, the contract wizard, and bridge planning tools. The investor and research path helps you cut research time using watch lists, AI analysis, security alerts, and due diligence prompts. Whether you are new or already skilled, these paths help you learn faster and make stronger decisions. The AI learning path guides you through tools that use artificial intelligence to improve your research. You can explore AI-powered token discovery, pattern detection, sentiment tracking, and due diligence shortcuts that help you act with better clarity when markets shift fast. Alongside this, you will find the prompt library. This section gives you high-signal prompts for Web3 research, security checks, smart contract audits, content creation, business tasks, and custom AI agents. Every prompt is grouped by category and skill level, so you can copy, refine, and deploy them for your own workflows. Now let's move to the Web3 News Hub. This dashboard pulls crypto, DeFi, and blockchain updates from multiple RSS sources. We merge the feeds, remove broken entries, clean up titles, and display the latest stories in real time. You also get trending tokens, active ENS identities, gas levels, L2 activity, and market movers all in one place. You can refresh the page anytime to update prices, narratives, and on-chain signals. This gives you a full view of what is happening across the ecosystem without jumping between apps or websites. Together, these features give you a complete experience. Tools, learning paths, token safety checks, AI insights, prompt libraries, and real-time Web3 data built into one platform. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of Token Tool Hub. If you found these tools and learning paths helpful, make sure you stay connected with us across all platforms. Follow Token Tool Hub on X for daily insights, quick updates, and live market signals. Connect with us on LinkedIn to follow our research, platform releases, and educational content. Join us on TikTok for short explainer videos and fast breakdowns of Web3 concepts. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for full tutorials, deep dives, and step-by-step guides. Visit tokentoolhub.com to explore the tools yourself, learn at your own pace, and stay ahead with real-time token safety checks and research dashboards. If you are a token hunter or someone who tracks new opportunities, join our Token Hunter community email list. You will receive curated alerts, early signals, research notes, and important findings directly to your inbox. Stay connected, stay informed, and keep building smarter with Token Tool Hub.